In today's video, I received Happy Mail from Nancy at Little Treasures by Nancy. Let's see what's inside. Can't get it out. Oh. Ooh, there's a whole bunch of stuff. First, we've got this little card. Oh, it's a little notebook. Isn't it cute? Little notebook. There's some stickers. Live the life you love. And you got this. Yeah, I need that one. This is something that I won on her channel one day when she had a live. She was doing a giveaway. So it's this, what does it say? It says, favorite moments with you, and there's a bicycle. Now you open it up, and there's all kinds of little umbrellas. Okay. Spring showers. Bring Mayflowers. Good vibes coming your way. What is that? I don't know what it is anyways. I think it's like a, what is this thing? It's like a little, not sure what it's called. Oop. But there's little sections. It's all little scrap paper, and then you can make your own, like do a scrapbooking project, I guess. With it, it's really cute. Look at all the different pictures there are. There's a butterfly, rainbow, buffalo check, the sun, the umbrellas, and little hot air balloons and butterflies. This one's got some words. It say happiness, sunshine, love, different words. This one's got flowers on it. More buffalo check, and it's like cards. I think this is cardstock, isn't it? Look at how pretty it is. And this one, wait, keeps going. Yeah, these are duplicate. And then there's this one here at the bottom. Wow, you get a lot. There. What else is in here? She gave me this notepad, and it's a magnet, so that's kind of cool. To-do list. Yeah, I need that. And this stencil. I don't know, what is this, Nancy? Stencil? Looks like. Cool. Last year, I also won something on Nancy's channel. And it's this little booklet. It's another scrapbooking book. But this one's Santa's Toy Shop. And you open it up and it looks like that. And then you open up this part. And then in here, she's got a little card. Right? And then you go to the next page. And in here, there's a little tag. And then you go to the next page. And there's another little tag. And then over here, there's another surprise inside. And then this one's empty. And this one. And then there's another surprise inside here. It's really cute. And I still have it, and I kept it in good condition. Thanks, Nancy. There's no note or anything. Dear Robin, you won. Congratulations. Your friend, Nancy. Thanks a lot, Nancy. If you want to check out Nancy, click on the next video.